Meditation is not about stopping thoughts, but recognizing that we are more than our thoughts and our feelings. Learn to be calm, and you will always be happy. Meditation is not spacing out or running away. In fact, it is being totally honest with ourselves. I meditate so that my mind cannot complicate my life. With meditation, you become a sensitized superhero, completely in control, with endless possibilities at your fingertips. Meditation is like a gym in which you develop the powerful mental muscles of calm and insight. Meditation is not about feeling a certain way, it's about feeling the way you feel. Meditation means dissolving the invisible walls that unaware has built. When meditation is mastered, the mind is unwavering like the flame of a candle in a windless place. Your calm mind is the ultimate weapon against your challenges, so relax. Meditation is choosing not to engage in the drama of the mind but elevating the mind to its highest potential. Meditation is hanging out with your soul. The more regularly and the more deeply you meditate, the sooner you will find yourself acting always from a center of inner peace. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. Your goal is not to battle with the mind, but to witness the mind. You have a treasure within you that is infinitely greater than anything the world can offer. Learn to enjoy the way as much as you would enjoy when you reach the destination.